Captain Zog, August 1st, 2009. Yesterday, we ended at lunch, but we have some more stuff to say. So, yeah, take it away. Actually, pause. Erica was there for the Oh My story.
Oh yeah, so there we were walking down the pier, and we were just passing lots of fishermen, and there was just this old man there, and he looked at us, and he just went, oh yeah, he was homeless also, and he just went, oh my goddesses, hello, and we just were so flattered, and so that homeless guy made our day.
And I was just walking by after and was like, I wish I had a napkin, and he's like, oh wait. It was so embarrassing. Oh, it was beautiful.
Yeah.
Okay, Mia.
Let Taryn talk.
Don't talk about the poop yet, because it didn't happen.
Oh, that's what I was... Oh, the jellyfish. We were walking down the beach and we saw a dead jellyfish, but we couldn't touch it because apparently it can still have sting in it. But it was really cool.
That's what the little 5-year-old said.
That's what a 5-year-old No, a big girl told the 5-year-old that.
Oh, really?
I watched her.
Okay, now you can tell about the poop.
Well, okay, first of all...
Taryn pooped her pants.
No, I did not poop my pants. I bled through my pants.
Into the
This is going on Facebook, so you know.
Just kidding, I didn't. You can still put it on Facebook, I don't care. Anyway, so I had to take my pants off, and so I was just in my bottoms. And then we're walking, actually standing, and a bird poops on my shirt. A bird poops on my shirt. So then I had to take my shirt off. So then I'm just walking around without any clothes.
Well,
no, you were.
I mean, in my swimsuit. But it's, yeah, and it was really gross. And then I was like, I bled through my pants, and I bird pooped on my shirt. I'm sorry, I'm just really loud. And a bird pooped on my shirt, and I was like, this sucks. And this homeless man starts laughing at me, and he asked if I wanted to borrow some of his clothes. I was like, no, it's okay.
He asked Mia if she had a bottle. A bottle in her towel.
Yeah, he thought she had
He was
booze and he
convinced
wanted
that it was a bottle.
I was not holding booze.
So then we came home and we decided, well, we're going up to Kevin's later, so we're getting ready. And Kevin came by to pick up Asia.
Oh gosh.
And he just walks through the front door, and there's Jenna in nothing but a bra and pants on. So topless. And it was really funny because Kevin
She hides behind the counter.
She's behind the counter right there.
Yeah.
There's the front door.
Sky, you didn't know.
I was freaking out. I was so embarrassed.
I was on the floor laughing. It doesn't look like I had
She didn't have pants on.
I did.
Yeah, Mia forgot that she
She was
didn't.
wearing her swimsuit bottoms.
She only had swimsuit bottoms on. She
Those
forgot
are
that.
pants.
And her shirt covered them, so she looked pantsless.
But
It was a riot.
then Mia saw my boobs and was scarred for life.
Yeah, that was sick.
That was sick.
Okay, from there, everyone showered and they went to Safeway and stuff. And then we got home and we walked over to Kevin's house, who lives that direction. And
Over the wall.
and we ate pizza
With
and
wheat crust.
with wheat crust, and it was so good.
delicious.
It was really good. And then we started doing a little bit of dancing,
A lot of bit.
We showed them all our signature moves.
Oh, we played Rock Band.
rock band, yeah.
We played Rock Band for a long time.
Yeah.
Meanwhile, the guys were getting hammered. We
Not
were just,
hammered.
No,
A
just
little buzz.
Just a little buzz, and we probably acted just the same because we were so tired.
Yeah.
Dancing.
We were probably more fun than they were, and they were even drinking.
We learned how to do the kneel.
Oh yeah, we can show you.
Signature move.
Oh, dear.
And the kale.
Oh, yeah.
And then we just sat there and listened to music on Kevin's thing and danced and
It was good.
yeah.